Welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. So today we are going to cover the topic Introduction to Sales Promotion. So this is for Class 3Y BA MMC, Semester 6, Module 1, and the subject name is Advertising and Sales and Promotion. Myself, Assistant Professor Varsha Bharti. So let us move further. Let us understand what is the nature of sales and promotion. The sales and promotion is a marketing strategy in which a business uses a temporary campaign or offer to increase interest or demand in its product or services. The main motto of doing any kind of activity that comes under sales and promotion technique is to grab the attention of the customers. Now, what do they facilitate? They facilitate to customers, industrial users and intermediaries and acts as a bridge between advertising and personal selling. Now, whenever we talk about sales and promotion, these are the two activities which are interconnected with sales and promotion. First is advertising and second is personal selling. Now, advertising is done for anonymous crowd. There is no personal message in that. If we go to watch any ad, let's suppose Fair and Handsome ad, Shah Rukh Khan is not personally selling that product or personally giving any message to any person. He is just giving the message to anonymous crowd, so they purchase the product. And whenever we are talking about personal selling, so there comes an personal attribute in it, that I am personally persuading someone to purchase that product. Now, to do advertising and personal selling, we are supposed to use this technique that is called as sales and promotion. Now, what all techniques comes under sales promotion are coupons, discounts, contests, prizes, rebates and other procedures that are outlined to obtain a quick response from the customers. Now, if I like a product, I will go to an online shopping app. Let's suppose Myntra का example लेते हैं. So I will go and I will search for a bag. Let's suppose a tote bag, and I am scrolling and I get to see different kinds of brands of bags. Now let's suppose I like Zook bags. It is a brand name, Zook. So I like the product. I kept it for myself. I kept it in my mind, and then again later on, after few days, again I went on and I checked the price of that particular brand. So the price was the same, but when Myntra is coming with a winter sale, or let's suppose Black Friday sale or Christmas sale, any kind of sale, they will personally send me an email or they will send me a message that Zook bag has come with an 20% discount, 30% discount. So what are they doing? They are doing a personal message in order to grab my attention so that I purchase that product from that online shopping app. So this is nothing but this is sales promotion technique. Sales promotional equipments of reminding or inspire the consumers to make a purchase immediately on the spot. Now this is the same thing which I mentioned now, that I had kept in my mind that I have to purchase this bag, but at that moment I didn't have that much money, but I had this in my mind that I have to purchase it on a period when I will be able to purchase that bag. So this is a good example that जैसे कि डिस्काउंट मिला मुझे एंड आई गॉट टू नो दैट आई एम गेटिंग अ ग्रेट डील, आई कैन बाय माई बैग विथ 20% discount or 30% discount. So I went on and I quickly purchased that product. So that is nothing but making on the spot decisions. So this was the nature of sales and promotion technique. Now next is methods. What are the methods of doing sales promotion? First is coupons, premiums, incentives, product samples, sponsorships, product placement, loyalty programs, point of purchase displays. First is coupons. Coupons such as 50% off or save ₹100 on the purchase of 500, buy one get one free. These are all kinds of examples of coupons. Whenever we go to a shopping mall, we get several kinds of coupons and discounts on particular brands and products. That is a daily life example that I can give you for coupons. Next is premiums. These low cost items were given to customers at discount or for free to build loyalty and fascinate customers. Logo, pen, keychain, coffee, mugs are typical examples of it. Now, whenever we go to purchase any product, let's suppose क्रिसमस का महीना चल रहा था इन डिसम्बर एंड देन आई वेंट टू माई फेवरेट कैफे आई एम द रेगुलर कस्टमर ऑफ दैट कैफे सो आई गॉट अ कीचेन फ्रॉम दैट कैफे दैट इज नथिंग बट एडिंग मर्चेंडाइज टू योर ब्रांड और टू योर प्रोडक्ट विच मेक्स द regular customers or your target audience happy and they will recall the brand again and again whenever they see that merchandise. So the purpose of giving premium is making customer happy and giving them a recall value. So this is nothing but a sales promotion technique. Next is incentives. Incentive builds up customers excitement. Thus marketers conduct contests, lucky draws and provide rebates to their loyal customers to retain them with the product. This also attracts the new customer group towards their product. Now whenever we get it lucky draw, contest, this all comes under incentives. Next is product sample. Now whenever we get a free sample of the product, that comes under sales promotion technique. We are launching a new shampoo. Okay, now if I am the company, I am launching my new shampoo, a new product in my product line. So what I will do, I will do a quick survey for the review part and then I will distribute the free sachets of shampoo to the customers so that they can get the awareness of the brand, and also as a company owner I will get an honest review from the customers that is it working or not. So by this technique even I am getting the benefit of it and the customers are getting free shampoo. Now why this is considered as sales promotion technique? Because the product is new and the customers who are unaware about the brand, they are getting to know about the brand. Further, we have sponsorship. Now whenever we see any reality show or talk shows or we see any talent hunt shows on television, we see many kinds of shows, TV shows. They are sponsored by different group of companies. Let's suppose हम लोग कोई भी show देखते हैं, we you can read it co-sponsored by, sponsored by, powered by, co-powered by. Now why do we do this? To gain their customers. If I am watching a reality show, let's suppose Big Boss देख रहे हैं हम, ठीक है, and a brand is sponsoring that show. So the people who are watching that show are going to read that in the bottom line of the headline of the show, under the line Big Boss season, whatever. So what is this? This is nothing but sales and promotion technique. Now we have several kinds of award shows. Whenever the anchor comes on the stage, they mention the name of the sponsors, powered by, co-powered by, sponsored by. Why this? Because they want the customers to know. Now the people who are watching the talk show or the award show, they will come to know that the company sponsors so and so award shows. Whenever we are talking about NGOs or any non-governmental organization who are working for the social cause, they also get in sponsorship from big brands, huge brands, to get in the money. They also get the money, but the company which is investing the money in that NGO gets a good amount of public response. A goodwill is created in the minds of the people, in the minds of the target audience of that product of that brand. Next is product placement. We have seen in many reality shows a mug having a logo of a particular drink name is kept in front of celebrities. This is a product placement method of sales promotion, and these methods bring in recognition for their brands. Yes, we have seen this several times. Whenever we see any show, the judge or any deities who are sitting on the stage, they have this mug, coffee mug or green tea mug. We can see the name or the logo of that brand on that mug. Next is loyalty programs. It is also known as buyers programs. In these programs, company awards their customers for the purchases. Now, whenever we launch this kinds of programs, what do we do is, जो भी हमारे कंपनी के लॉयल कस्टमर्स हैं, हम उनको एक तरीके का हैम्पर दे रहे हैं, गिफ्ट दे रहे हैं, सैम्पल्स दे रहे हैं. इस तरीके से क्या होगा, कस्टमर्स को भी खुशी मिलेगी एंड दे विल बिकम मोर लॉयल टूवर्ड्स दैट ब्रांड. नाउ व्हेन आई वाज परचेसिंग, मतलब आई वाज कंटिन्यूसली परचेसिंग फ्रॉम मिंत्रा ब्रांड, they send me a gift as a token of loyalty program. They sent me L'Oreal shampoo sachet, a huge sachet it was, but then that is considered under loyalty programs, so that I keep on buying from Myntra. If we are talking about a specific brand, let's suppose अगर हम लोग L'Oreal की बात कर रहे हैं and I am purchasing the product from L'Oreal itself, then one fine day when they are going through this loyalty program, they will send a free sachet, a free bottle of shampoo or a good nice hamper for the people who are loyal customers of the L'Oreal brand. Next is point of purchase display. We see almost everywhere particular corner made displays the product of a specific brand. They are usually placed in high traffic areas and encourages impulsive buying. Now whenever we see billboards, hoardings, these all comes under point of purchase. I can also mention that now that we are more into digital apps and online apps, whenever we go through different websites, we get to see pop-up ads. This is also one kind of a method of sales promotion technique, that if we see the product, if we keep it in our purchasing bag of that online app, let's suppose if we are taking example of purple.com, I gone to purple.com, I picked one eyeliner, I kept it in the shopping bag, and then later on I went to another app. After some time the pop-up ad will appear of that same eyeliner, and then again and again it will reappear on wherever website or wherever app I go to. Why? This is a sales and promotion technique, so that one fine day or one fine hour after watching so many times the ad, I will go and finally purchase that product. This is nothing but persuasion technique called recall value for that brand or for that product. Thank you very much. This is it. So today we learned the nature of sales and promotion and methods of sales and promotion. Further we will learn more about it in the next video. Thank you.